Hello friends, myself Bhavan Jha. Today I have these topics from class 12th. These topics are very important from board exam as well as various medical competitive exams. Today's topics for discussion are enzymes and bioactive molecules from chapter 10, tools of recombinant DNA technology from chapter 11 and EcoSen from chapter 16. Enzymes. First enzyme is lipase from chapter 10, that is microbes in human welfare. Lipase is used in detergent formulations. It is helpful in removing oily stains from laundry. Lipase is obtained from fungus Candida. Second enzyme is pectinase and proteases. These enzymes are used to clarify fruit juices, so bottled juices from markets are clearer as compared to those made at home. Next enzyme is streptokinase. This is obtained from bacterium Streptococcus. It is modified by genetic engineering and it is used as clot buster for removing clots from blood vessels of patients undergone myocardial infarction leading to heart attack. Next topic is tools of recombinant DNA technology from chapter 11th, that is biotechnology principle and processes. Tools of recombinant DNA technology are restriction enzymes, polymerase enzymes, ligase, vectors and host organism. First one is restriction enzymes. Restriction enzymes are also called molecular scissors. In 1963, two enzymes isolated which are responsible for restricting growth of bacteriophage in E. coli. One of these added methyl group to DNA while other cut DNA. Later enzyme was called restriction endonuclease. First restriction endonuclease was Hind2 and most common is EcoR1, that is Escherichia coli RY13. RY stand for stain. Restriction enzymes belong to larger class of enzymes called nucleases. Restriction enzymes are two types. First one is exonucleases and second is endonucleases. First is exonucleases. These removes nucleotides from ends of DNA, whereas endonucleases make cuts at specific positions within DNA. Each restriction enzyme functions by inspecting length of DNA sequence. Next one is palindromic nucleotide sequence. When restriction enzyme finds a specific recognition sequence, it will bind to DNA and cut each of the two strands of double helix at specific points in sugar phosphate backbone. Each restriction enzyme recognizes specific palindromic nucleotide sequence in DNA. Palindromic nucleotide sequence is sequence of base pairs that reads same on two strands when orientation is kept same. Example GAATTC, or we can say GATAC. From 5' to 3' GAATTC. Each restriction enzyme cut the strand of DNA little away from center of palindromic sites but between same two bases on opposite strands. This leaves single-stranded portions at ends called sticky ends. Stickiness of ends facilitates action of enzyme DNA ligase. Palindromic sequence GAAT-TTC is cut by restriction enzyme EcoR1 between G and A on both strands of DNA. Next topic is EcoSen, that is ecological sanitation from chapter 16, that is environmental issues. EcoSen or eco-sanitation is sustainable system for handling human excreta using composting toilets. It is a practical, hygienic, efficient, and cost effective solution to human waste disposal. Human excreta can be recycled into manures to reduce need for chemical fertilizers. There are working ecosystems in many areas of Kerala and Sri Lanka. Thanks. I hope this information will boost your knowledge for board as well as all competitive exams. Thanks.